Welcome to EXPI-DOOR's overview on installation of our pre-assembled door systems. To begin, basic tools needed for installation will be a hammer drill, levels, channel lock C-clamps, screw gun, Allen wrench for closer adjustment, and all fasteners are common size for construction use, so sockets are commonly on site. Material type, strength, color, etc. varies for caulk, mastic, grout, and special fasteners if applicable from job to job based upon the architect or end user's particular preferences. Therefore, these items are to be provided by others and are not available from EXPI-DOOR as an option. Doors are delivered to the site crated for protection. When the doors are delivered to your construction site, before the driver leaves, be sure to inspect the crate or crates for damage by the carrier. This includes the underside of the crate. Note any damage on your bill of lading. Remove the lid and end caps. Unfasten doors from each other as needed. Each door has its own packet of installation fasteners, installation instructions, door hardware instructions, and the keys for that door. Let's begin the installation. Check the floor where the doors are to be installed to make sure that they are level. A level floor is necessary for proper installation. If the floor is not level or is uneven, shims may be needed to plumb and square the door system to the building. Move the door to the desired location for installation. Tip the door to allow the girt clips to go behind the girt leg, keeping the header C-channel flange to the outside of the girt. Set the threshold in a bed of mastic or grout before anchoring it down. The header C-channel should be butted to the face of the girt. The door's girt clips are inside the girt. Clamp the header C-channel to the girt flange. On both sides to stabilize and hold the door. Loosen, but do not remove the fasteners in the slotted openings of the clips. Remove and keep the set fastener located between the slots. You'll need this at a later step. Using the level, check the door on the hinge side for plumb and square. Always start on the hinge side. Drill the pilot holes for the compression anchors provided in the hardware pack. Install the compression anchors, snug them, but do not tighten. Next, check the reveal, the gap between the door leaf and the door frame, to be sure that it is the same all the way around the door. If it looks like this, adjust the frame position on the girt as needed. Also, check that the door frame and the leaf are flush, that the frame is not racked. The door leaf and the frame face should be flush to each other. Make the necessary adjustments to the position of the door system to ensure the door leaf is properly positioned in the frame. Reclamp the header C-channel to hold the door in its final position. Drill the pilot holes for the compression anchors provided in the hardware pack. Install the compression anchors, snug them, but do not tighten. Slide the girt clip up to contact the underside of the girt. Tighten the fasteners. Using the fasteners provided in the hardware packet, attach the girt clips to the girt. Again, on the other side, slide the clip to the girt and tighten the fasteners. Using the fasteners provided in the hardware packet, attach the girt clips to the girt. Lock the girt clips in place on both sides by reinstalling the locking fastener in the hole between the slots. Finish tightening the compression anchors on both sides of the door. Drill the pilot holes for the threshold anchors and install the compression anchors provided in the hardware pack. If your closer has a cover, remove it by taking out the set screw. The cover will slide off, exposing the actual hardware. Using an Allen wrench, adjust the closing speed, latching speed, and back check. Instructions for your specific closer are included in the hardware pack. Do not back these valves out completely, as this would allow the pneumatic oil to escape. Replace the cover and secure with the set screw. If your building has a midline girt, remove the center height girt clips and reattach at the proper height. Your door is now completely installed and you are ready to side the building. Thank you for reviewing this presentation. Our team at EXPI-DOOR trusts that you have found it helpful.